Hello. If you've ever seen 25% off and weren't sure how to find the final price, this is the easiest way to do it every time. Let's try a real example. A jacket costs $40. It is on sale for 25% off. What is the final price? First, I need to understand what 25% off means. Let me just go ahead and underline that. And that means I am taking 25% away from the original price. And recall, the original price is $40. So what I'm going to do is write 25% equals 0.25. So we have 25% equals 0.25. Okay, now to find the discount, I have to multiply the original price by the percent. So what I'll do is write 0.25 times 40, and that equals 10. What this means is the discount is $10. But here's where students make mistakes. This is not the final answer. Okay, that's just how much we take off. So, what we need to do in order to find what the final price is take and subtract 10 from the original price of $40. So, we have 40 minus 10 equals 30. So, that means $30 is the final price, final answer. Okay, so a tip here, anytime you see percent off, find the percent, then subtract. Okay, so now let's try one more. And this time I want you to think it through with me. A backpack costs $60. It is on sale for 30% off. Okay, so let's place each value in the correct box. But why don't you just go ahead and pause the video and try it first? Okay, so we know that the original price is a given of $60. So we have that answer choice here, so we'll just cross that out and we'll place $60. Now let's find out what the discount is. So recall, we have to take and multiply the original price by the percent. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So we have 0.30 times 60. And so that equals 18. So remember, that is our discount. It's not the sale price, but it is the discount. So let's check that off. And we'll fill in $18 for the discount. So do you recall how to find the sale price now? So you'll take that discounted price and subtract it from the original price. So your discounted price is $18, right? So you'll just say 60 minus 18 equals 42, meaning that the sale price is $42. So we'll go ahead and cross that out. And we have $42. So that's all that we have here. I want you to keep practicing and stay tuned for more calm, clear math lessons right here on Math by TV.